Well, today we got something from Dynamic Tools. They reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review them. I said sure. They sent them to me, so here we go. Okay. See if I can get my fingers out of the way. Now, they are made in Taiwan. So let's get the package open and show you. Okay. They come on this nice rail. These things are pretty sweet. Let me get one of them off the rail and show you. Let's just get the 16. Why not? In case you didn't read, they're crow's feet. But you can put they're for a ratchet, extension or ratchet, whatever. You got to get down in whatever size extension you want, or you can just put a ratchet on it. Now, I don't know if you can use them like that or not, and just, use it as a wrench. Maybe. I don't know why it would be swiveling way down there like that if you couldn't, right? You can't turn it with a ratchet because it turns the wrong way. Anyway, these are awesome. I figure I turned it every which ways for you to see it. You see how it has that little bump out there? That's cool. And it goes from 10 all the way to 19, no skips. And in case you didn't see it, lifetime warranty. That's pretty cool. Now, I just have it on my Sun-X locking extension where it won't come off. Pretty sweet. Let me put it back on there. I just got to figure out where to put them, right? Let me get the camera down. I did some rearranging. Let me show you that too while I'm at it. Oh, in case I didn't mention, I did not pay for these. They sent them to me. All right, first up, let's pull this drawer open. As you can see, I did a little bit of rearranging. Put all my ratchets and torque wrenches and everything all in one drawer. I had them in here, and I had a whole bunch of my Allen sockets and all over here on this side, and the Weehaw Allen wrenches. But I didn't like the ratchets over here because every time you shut the drawer, they would move around. So they need to be running this way. So now I don't have anything to put them on because the board was too long to go this way. So I got to figure something else out. I don't know if I'm going to make another board or just get those little ratchet holders that they make, little plastic holders that stands them up. But there's all the ratchets. Anyway, let's see. I put where did I put them? Okay, now that I found the right drawer, I put all the hex and torques and whatnot down here. And this used to be my metric wrench drawer. Now all this was up there in that drawer with them ratchets. It was getting kind of cluttered, so I moved them down. Now the torque wrenches are not in this drawer anymore, or in this little section of this drawer. So now you see those. I have room to put these in here, right? There you go. Okay, I think I forgot to show you this. It also came with this. Check this out. That toolbox would be awesome to have right there now. Harley colors, that would be sweet. Hint. Anyway, it's just like a little catalog of all their stuff. I've shown it before. It comes with their tools, right? Show you this again. Let's see, did I show the part number? There's the part number. D010028. In case you didn't catch that. I'll show it again. You get that? I might use that as the thumbnail. Anyway, the weird thing is I was looking at these on Amazon, and when I clicked on it to check out their store, it took me to somebody else's store. I don't know if somebody's trying to fake being Dynamic Tools or what, but it said Dynamic Tools, and when I clicked on it, it took me to some John Dow store. I don't know if they're any part of Dynamic. I don't know. But it's just kind of weird. I was just looking at them, and maybe 10, 15 minutes later, they contacted me on Instagram wanting to know if I wanted to review them. Kind of weird. So, if you want to get a set of these, I'll put a link to them to my Amazon store in the description. They'll be in my Amazon store, my storefront. You can go there and look. These will be under hand tools. And I'll also put a direct link to them, so it'll take you right directly to them on Amazon. So, I mean, if you're going to buy on Amazon, just why not use my link? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. It does help me. It helps support the channel, but it doesn't cost you anything to use the link. And I would appreciate it. And check out all the other links down there too, and make sure you subscribe and all that good stuff. That's all I got for this one. Hope you liked it. Thank you, Dynamic Tools, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.